Honk by Mick Inkpin. Honk, said the gosling. Where did you come from? Said Kipper. Honk, said the gosling again. You can go in the tub, said Kipper. Honk, said the gosling to the rubber duck, which didn't reply. Do you like bubble bath? Asked Kipper. Honk, said the gosling, blowing a bubble by accident. Can you only say honk? Asked Kipper. The gosling nodded and honked again. It honked at the towel. It honked at the sponge. It honked at the blow dryer, especially when it blew him out of the bathroom. And it honked as it bumped into Big Owl. Are you all right? Asked Kipper. But the gosling didn't reply. It didn't say honk. It fell fast asleep without saying anything at all. The end.